Do you want to go and learn how to make a bridge egg like the ones in HYPIXLE? It looks just like this in Bedrock Minecraft. This also works in Java though. And if you want to, here's how you do it. For this you're going to need one command block, and this is the command. /execute. So this is going to start off the command. Then we need to say what we're executing at. We're executing this at a egg. So at e type equal egg. This says at any entity, but then we specify that to any entity that is an egg. After that, closing bracket. So this is what the command looks like. Space, run. So now we're going to run a basic command. This command is going to be the fill command. And this is going to fill in an area around the egg. For this, we need to go and do tilde -1, so a block beneath the egg. Because otherwise the egg will get destroyed if it spawns in a block. So tilde -1, and tilde -1 again. Other one can just do tilde -1, so it spawns beneath the egg, and tilde normally. So now your command should look like this. Then you can just choose the block. I'll do white wool this time. Actually, I'll do blue. Just like that. So now this is the way your command should look like. You just have to put this in the command block. Say it like this. So this says execute at an egg. We need to run the command of the fill in the spot beneath the egg. Make it blue wool. This command block is always active and repeating, so now whenever I throw the egg, it will fill in a spot beneath the egg. There will be a few holes if there's like lag or something like that. But for the most part, this is a pretty foolproof bridge egg. It works. Quick tip, though, if you want to be able to go and kill the bridge egg quickly, then you will have to use like redstone and comparators and stuff. And this is shown by me in another video that should be showing up on screen right now. This is just simply how to make the HYPIXLE ice bridge. It's an amazing video. Hope you check it out. Have a nice day.